Hi friends, I am Madhyalagan, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So today my topic is Web Development Basics. So HTML document for topic. So HTML documents we can creating using for the file the contain the HTML code, and then HTML document use it of the .html or .htm. This is an extension for the document saving. So for every HTML document beginning with the document type HTML.c. This is used for the document type. The root element of an HTML document is the HTML. So HTML tag, it is the open tag and close tag, we well known. But this type we have use it on the HTML. It is the root of HTML document. So HTML documents have two main sections we have use it on. So first one it is the head, and the second one it is the body. This is the based on the two main sections. So head and body. The head sections contains the metadata, title, and linked files. This is the based on the heading sections. So next one is the title. The title. So tag inside. So head sets the page title. So this is the title, and head sets the page title. Next one is the body. So body section, it's the contains the all the visible content. HTML documents are returning user tag and elements, and HTML document must be properly structured by the browser to read, and browser interrupt HTML documents and display them as a web pages. So HTML documents is the can include text, image, video, links, and forms. This is the basis on the HTML tags. So we can use it on the title tag. It is the most important of the which title we have a creating of the web page, and head tag it is the used for the set the page title. This is the most important of title and head. Next one is the body. So body section, it's the content all the visible content of we can make it, and we can creating it some of web page content, tables, markups, and then images, links, forms, list, unordered list, and then we can use it on the some of add in the attractor web page using on in the body section. So HTML document are the tag and elements we can use it in. HTML document must properly be structured of the browser. We have a support it for the browser to read. So browser interrupt HTML document and display them the web pages. This is the based on the browser. Next, HTML document supported for the as usual on text, image, video, and links of the forms. So HTML document supports CSS for the styling. CSS, it is the cascade styling sheet. It is the based on the using on the styling document of styling pages of the we can make it use it of the in CSS. CSS, it is the cascade styling sheet. So HTML document supported JavaScript for the interactivities. HTML document supported JavaScript for the interactivities. So interactivities, it is the based on the JavaScript and HTML document. It is the based on the supported. So HTML document must have a proper nesting of a tag. So nesting of a tag, it is the based on the HTML document we can't use it in. So white space in HTML documents is generally ignored. White space, it is the HTML document is generally ignored. So commands in the HTML document uses commands like as a HTML document can include external resources like CSS or JS files, and HTML documents are the platform independent based on the we can create it for HTMLs. Next one is the HTML document form the backbone of the every websites. This is the based on the HTML document we can creating of CSS and structuring of the web page websites. This is all over it is. It is the very useful for the HTML document how to create it of this video. Thank you.